What sound does a chicken make? What sound does a cow make?
Moo.
What sound does a pig make?
Oink.
What sound does a horse make?
Nee.
What does a snake say? What does a frog do?
Gross.
Ribbit, ribbit.
Rabbit.
What does an elephant say?
Okay. Thanks. Boom.
Okay, yeah. What sound does a bug say? What sound does a bumblebee make?
Boom, 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 boom.
What sound does a goat make?
Sounds. Boom.
Or a sheep?
Wow.
Wow. What sound does a lion make?
Roar.
How about a bear?
Bear.
What sound does a tiger make?
Roar. A big tiger. No, a big tiger.
How about a duck?
Quack. Quack, quack. My dog says quack, quack.
Okay, that's all the animal sounds for today. Do you see a car?
A car. Wheels. Na 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 na.
Yeah, the car has wheels.
Beep 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 beep.
Do you see a fish?
Me. I see an owl. Owl.
Oh, you see a little owl. Yeah.
No.
A penguin? You see a penguin? Or a pig?
Penguin. Pig. See up there. Up there.
Where's the monkey? Do you see a monkey?
No. Monkey.
Yeah. Oh, thanks. I dropped that.
Okay.
What's the monkey eating?
Oh no, we're eating babies. And the babies. No, little babies. No babies.
What's in the bowl? What kind of food is he eating?
No bullshit.
A bowl of
Yeah.
soup?
No bullshit. Bullshit.
Do you see an orange tree?
No. 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 No.
oranges over there?
Three. Gone.
Okay, where is it raining? I see it's raining somewhere. Where is it raining? Down on the bottom. Ew, Ben. Okay, where is it raining? On the bottom. Yeah, that's where it's raining.
Look at.
Ew. No. That's so gross, Ben. That is so gross. You wiped a booger on Mama. That's disgusting. Go take it back. Take it back and put it in the garbage. What are you building? Ben, are you happy? You're not happy? You look happy. You're just faking it. Okay, let's try again. Are you happy? You're not happy? Well, then how come you look happy? Okay, you gonna try again? Okay, try again. Are you happy? You heard him, people. Ben is not happy.